Let's crochet hand warmer gloves with thumbs. Last time I made a type to make a hole in the thumb part, but this time I will make it cylindrical. The number of stitches and rows is the same as last time, so I will focus on explaining how to make a thumb part. First, I will crochet a tube for the thumb. Let's crochet it in 5 rows with 18 stitches for 1 lap. Put the end of the thread on the back of the fabric. After you make the thumb part, let's crochet the main body. This is made by crocheting 6 rows with 64 stitches for 1 lap. As an easy variation, I changed the color of the first 2 rows. Combine the thumb parts at the 7th and 8th rows. In the case of my left hand last time, I crocheted a chain at the 38th stitch. This time, I will connect the thumb parts with 38th and 39th stitches. The direction of the stitches is aligned and the hook is inserted into both of the stitches on the thumb side and the main body side. The 2 parts are now connected. Go around the whole area on the next row. When going from the main body to the thumb part and when going back from the thumb part to the main body, you put a hook in the connecting stitch and crochet it together. The thumb part is now completely merged. After that, it is the same as the hand warmer gloves I crocheted last time. If you want to add an arrangement, it's easiest to make a striped pattern just like I did at the beginning. When you clean up the thread, don't forget the end of the thread on the thumb part. That is how to make hand warmer gloves with thumbs. If you can make hand warmer gloves with holes, you should be able to make this one without any problem. Please try it as a practice to connect the parts. Thank you for watching.